I normally put rice outside for the birds. I put it right here. These are blessings. You put your rice here and let the birds come and eat the rice. It takes away bad spirits from your life. It brings luck. You do this every day and everything in your life will change. You just use rice, just normal rice. Like that. And the birds will come and eat it.
Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my, this is terrible. Oh, this is so bad. Is she above you now? Hey! Oh, her eyes are turning red. I think she's about to kill her. Yup. That's the telltale secret right there. Oh, are people actually investigating the crime? Makes sense. Huh.
So that poor girl got her last in attack.
Really? So what about everyone else? Oh! She's not dead. Yeah, she just takes over their bodies, guys. Confirmed. 1 o'clock. Again. Emergency room now. So I guess they're taking the girl from the last time to the emergency room, but she's already... Oh, to autopsy. Okay. So I was like, but she's already dead. They can't save her. Okay, that's the girl. She's wearing a yellow dress. Very flattering, very pretty. Oh gosh. What's gonna happen here? Oh, don't cut my yellow dress! Oh, imagine. Wait, is the dress? Wait a minute, is the dress? What? You like my yellow dress? Imagine the dress is the one that has the power.